In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align in AutoCAD. The align command is a quick way to position an object exactly where you want it by matching it to points on another object. It doesn't just move the object, it can also rotate it to match the target's angle and, if you choose, scale it so the sizes line up perfectly. To make this clear, I'll demonstrate aligning a square to a small tilted line. Start by selecting the object you want to align. In this case, the square. With it selected, type Align in the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for the first point on the object you're aligning. Click the first corner of the square that you want to match. Next, click the point on the tilted line where you want that corner to land. You'll now be prompted for a second point on the square. Click the second corner you want to use, then click the corresponding second point on the tilted line. You can specify more point pairs if you need a tighter fit, but for this example, 2 points are enough to set both position and angle. When you've finished choosing alignment points, press the spacebar or Enter to confirm that you're done. AutoCAD will then ask if you want to scale the objects based on the alignment points. Choose Yes if you want the square to resize so the distance between the two corners matches the distance between the 2 points on the line. This is useful when your target is shorter or longer than your original object. After choosing Yes, press Enter to complete the command. The square is now moved, rotated to match the tilt of the line, and scaled to fit. A few tips to keep things clean and accurate. Turn on object snaps so you can reliably pick exact endpoints. Endpoint snap is perfect here. If needed, zoom in closely when selecting points to avoid tiny misclicks that throw the alignment off. If ortho is forcing you to pick along straight axes, toggle it off so you can freely choose angled points. If the result doesn't look right, use undo and try again, making sure each source point truly corresponds to the correct destination point. And remember, if you choose No when asked about scaling, the object will move and rotate to align but keep its original size. That's the align command in action. Select, type Align, pick matching points, finish with spacebar, choose whether to scale, and press Enter. And there you go. Simple, precise, and done.